Crowd, y'all really letting me down right now. Are we finna get crunk or what? All right, the next people that's coming to the stage, man, they about to get it in. Everybody know what get it in mean? They about to put it down. They about to shucky ducky quack quack for the old people above 30. We're gonna bring them in here and just simply say Drumline. Let's get it. Hold on. Y'all done?
No.
Oh, okay. Y'all done? No. Man, I thought I was back in Africa, baby. I thought I was on the boat.